Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to generate API keys for Brevo. Picture this. You're ready to integrate your applications with Brevo, but you hit a roadblock. Without an API key, your integrations can't move forward. It's a common hurdle, but don't worry. Generating an API key for Brevo is simpler than you might think. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge to confidently generate and manage your API keys, ensuring smooth and secure integrations. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, make sure you're using a trusted browser on a secure network. Open up a new tab and type in Brevo into your search bar. When the search results appear, click on the official Brevo website link. Please be cautious and ensure that the URL is authentic, as this is crucial for protecting your account from potential phishing sites. Once you've accessed the Brevo site, proceed to log into your account. Use your usual credentials. For those of you who have two-factor authentication enabled, remember to complete that step as well. This extra layer of security ensures that your account remains protected, especially when dealing with API keys. It's always a wise practice to access sensitive accounts from devices and networks you trust. Now that you're on your account dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon or the account name. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled SMTP and API. This section is essential, as it centralizes all the sending settings and developer access tools you need to connect Brevo with other applications effectively. In the SMTP and API area, switch over to the API Keys tab. This tab is essentially your hub for managing both existing and new API keys. Don't be alarmed if you see a list of keys already present. These are your existing keys and won't be affected by your current activity. Next, look for the Generate a New API Key button. In some interfaces, this may be labeled as Create a New API Key. Both options will lead you to the same process. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to name your new key. Choose a descriptive label that reflects its intended use, such as website integration or CRM connection. This naming convention will help you quickly identify the purpose of each key at a glance. If you are managing different environments like staging or production, consider including this context in the name as well. After naming your key, proceed by clicking the Generate button. Brevo will then create your key and display it on the screen. It is crucial to copy this key immediately and store it securely, perhaps in a password manager or your organization's secure vault. Treat this key with the same care as a password. Avoid sharing it publicly or committing it to code repositories. Remember, once you leave this page, you cannot view the full API key again, and you will have to create a new one if you lose it. To finalize your process, click the OK or confirmation button that appears. Your newly created API key will now be listed among your existing keys, ready to be used in your integrations. And there you have it, folks. Your Brevo key is successfully generated and securely stored, allowing you to proceed with your integration tasks without any hitches. That's it for this tutorial on how to generate API keys for Brevo. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.